Guys, sit down and relax. See the whole video and the review and get thrilled. Let's go. Hello everyone, Mani Radiant here and I welcome you back to my channel. Hope you all are fine and healthy. So guys, today I bring you a new anime that is Boku Dakega Inamachi, or you can say its English title is Erased. Guys, this is the anime to watch. It's thrilling, fantastic, and it is based on suspense. I really love these kind of animes. And guys, this is recently released in January 8. Its first episode was aired on January 8. I have watched this anime just in February. About I think 5 episodes have been released so far. So after watching the first episode, I wanted to review this for you guys. Guys, this anime is fantastic, guys. So guys, it follows a manga artist story. Yes guys, the main character of these are Satoru Fujinuma, Airi Katagiri, Kayo Hinazuki, Sachiko Fujinama. So the other main character that I wanna talk about is Kayo Hinazuki, guys, who's this girl with the muffler, with the red color coat in the muffler that we see in the first half of the episode, that when he was in the state of unconditioned, Satoru had dreamed about. If she was coming in his mind. Now guys, what this anime holds secrets for us. When they will be opened? When do we suspect the murderer that came to the house of Satoru and killed his mother drastically? And we hope this anime would turn out to be a great anime. I can see by the only judging by the preview along with the episode 1 and so on, guys. And guys, one thing I forgot to mention, guys, that its manga has already been written. I think it was first chaptered in 2012 and we got the serialization of this anime in 2016. Now that's a very long period, but I do think that anime could have something unique in regards to manga. Now I haven't read the manga yet, but those who have know the story. But anime sometimes turned out to be different to manga. So guys, I'm really looking forward to the anime. I will see the manga, but I will do the reviews regarding to anime, guys. This anime is different. I know it could turn out different than the manga. I hope so, guys. Satoru Fujinama is a manga artist in this anime. Satoru is 29 years old who works part-time as a delivery man at Oishi Pizza. He possesses an ability he calls revival, which would bring him back to a time before a life-threatening incident would occur and allow him to prevent it. Now guys, this anime has a concept of revival. You know, when something is about to happen, his, you can say, sixth sense activates and he guesses what wrong is gonna happen at the present. But meantime, he is immediately brought back to a past, you can say. And when we have seen that this follows a story of a 11-year-old girl who is a high school student named Kayo Hinazuki. But in the meantime, we got the preview of her in the first episode, like when the accident occurred. Oh my god, that scene was so much threatening when Satoru got injured by that truck and he was immediately fell into coma for 2 days, I think. After 2 days he was woken and his co-worker named Airi Katagiri. She is a co-worker at Oishi Pizza and she become involved with Satoru of what happened with him, and she was like taking care of her in the episode. And we see that Sachiko Fujinama is the mother of Satoru Fujinuma. Now guys, Sachiko has a very interesting fact. She is like 52 years old, guys. Oh my god. But she looks still young, like his son mentioned too. And meanwhile, Airi also mentioned that he looked like a sister to Satoru. That was very hilarious moment. But now guys, the real story behind this is a kidnapper. Like, who is the kidnapper? Who could be behind the scenes? As we have seen in the first episode, like that Satoru was reading a magazine in which 3 girls from his former school have been kidnapped by someone, and his friend, in his childhood friend, you can say, Yuki, was blamed for kidnapping them, but that turns out not to be the real case. That's why his mother Sachiko recognized this, and she immediately went back to investigate this. Like, she was watching at the store, suspicious at a man who was taking a child with him. So this investigation led to a very drastic scene. That was very, you can say, my heart was very depressed to see when poor mother reached home at night and she was killed very heavily, you can say, by the murderer. Backstabbed the knife in her back, and she immediately fell on the floor, blood all over. And we see that Satoru arrives there, and unfortunately his neighbor saw him, had red blood on his hand, and she immediately called the police, though suspecting him that he was the murderer of his own mother, though that was not the case. Now guys, this episode turns out to be very fascinating. You can see in the trailer that I put in this video. Guys, like this video, and guys, if you want more opinions regarding this anime, do tell me, give likes and comment, and do subscribe if you want more of these reviews. I would be doing these reviews. Okidake Inamachi. Hope you guys love this review and look forward to more. If you like this, do appreciate it. I would love it and will be honored to reply your comments. Do subscribe guys. Thank you, and I see you then in the next reviews, which will be updated. I might do the 6th episode review that will become in this week soon, and after that I will do the reviews of the remaining 4 episodes that though I have watched them, but I will review them later. So guys, their anime after that would be updated with my reviews regularly on the days when episode will be released. Thank you guys, I wish you like it, and I see you then.